In this video, we're going to show you how to install the coolant expansion tank on your Toyota Camry located under your hood. Now with the hood open, I'm going to go ahead and locate the expansion tank. It's on the passenger side of the engine bay. Now you can notice a wiring harness that attaches to the forward portion of this here. We're going to use our trim tool to go ahead and pop this off. All right, with that separated, let's go ahead and continue on to the next step. Go ahead and pop up the cap here, and we're going to release it from the little hook on the forward portion of the tank. Lift this up and out. Now there's going to be some coolant dribbling out of this here. Let's go ahead and grab a rag. I'm going to tuck this off to the side. Now on the back side here, there's a 10 millimeter. We're going to use our deep socket extension. Loosen and remove that nut. Good, remove that and set it aside. Now on the forward side, we can see the nut down here. We're going to use a long extension, 10 mil socket. Let's go ahead and remove that. Let's go ahead and grab our expansion tank, lift it up off of that stud, lift that up and out. I'm going to take this here. Need to remove this from the cap. So using our hose pliers here. Gently twist that free. And we should be able to pull this off. Let's go ahead and lower our tank down. Get the back on that stud. Bring that around, and we're going to go ahead and get that lower bolt started down front. Let's go ahead and snug this down. Snug that down gently. While we're there, let's go ahead and reconnect the harness right here. Just press that little tab in there. Go ahead and bring our hose around. And go ahead and install this right on the port. Install the nut on the back side. And we'll go ahead and snug that down. Snug it down gently. Now at this point here, you want to go ahead and open up the cap, and we can go ahead and fill this up to the full line. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And we add the appropriate amount of coolant recommended by the manufacturer. Want to try and fill it up to that full line as long as that engine is cold. Once we get to that full mark, we can go ahead and remove the funnel. Install the tube and snap the cover on. At this point here, if you have anything that dripped out, go ahead and clean it up. Otherwise, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.